Hello, teacher. Good morning. My name is Luis, and today I'm going to talk about my weekend plans. Uh, Tomorrow morning, I am going to help her and have a big breakfast. That my I am going to help my mom clean and the house. I'm not going to play video games and the morning because I watch finish my clothes. I not I am going to visit my cousin. We are going to play the soccer in the park. My family. This is evening. We are going to help 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 the pizza my family. It's going to delicious. On Sunday, I going to stay at the home and study. I am going to read my English book and wear my homework and the afternoon. I'm not going to hold because I have a lot and the homework. My friends invited me to the cinema, but I am not going to go. I am going to watch a movies at home instead. Tomorrow night, I'm going to take my grandmother and the home and the help. She lives in the another city, and my miss her a lot. Next weekend, I'm going to visit her with my family. On Monday, I am going to Reading to school and share my weekend experience. This weekend, I go to study relax and speaking time with my family. I know go to travel or go to the party. My but I am going to enjoy my time. Thank you, teacher.